Hi guys, and welcome to the channel Vlogging with the Beachcomber. This video is the third I've taken while at Trafalgar Square no ULEZ protest, late January 24. Anyway, I'll speak to you later, so enjoy.
Polluted than the roads. Why doesn't Tom tell you that? ULEZ is not to control pollution, it's to control you and
We're just here at another part of the protest now. I just saw Piers Corbyn just drive by. And we've got Dino over there. And then we've got the most turned up. And what else do we have here?
You got me, John, from Vlogging with the Beachcomber.
Yeah!
How are you?
Yeah, not bad.
Good.
So there we are. We've got some of the crowd over here. The Universal Charge to get card out. Try and get some units out now.
Get card out! 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 Get card out!
They just stop where they're doing it. They just stop.
But it depends. If you can, like with St Mary's Grove, well, they had a 4-day license. So what they did, they put 2 cars and parked them over on the grass where they were putting the box in.
Because they show you a location where it's going to be.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow,
they show you exactly.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. They'll tell you exactly where it's got to go. So yeah. Now we're just going to block them. So there'll be no new cameras even in Orpington and Bromley. Same as Biggin Hill, and then we'll leave it to the Bladerunners to take down the others, and once they've taken them down, we won't let them put them back up again.
Yeah.
So hopefully Bromley and Orpington won't have any cameras in the next month or 2.
Oh, that'd be good.
I mean, they've just put all them traffic lights back up.
Yeah.
There's no cameras
At the moment.
So when they tell us they're going to do the cameras, Adam, we will be there to stop them.
Yeah, nice one.
I hope you'll join us.
I'll look it up.
Well, do you belong to any of you belong to the Facebooks or the websites, do you? Do you belong to the Facebooks or websites or WhatsApp group?
Yeah, about 4 or 5 of them I got.
The WhatsApp's the best.
Lovely to see you, bro. Lovely to see you, son. We'll roll down in a minute.
Hello, Brown Car Man.
Hello, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Oh, I like this arrangement. That's
Yeah, it works. Whatever I'm looking at, it looks at.
That's very good.
I'm John, by the way, vlogging from the Beachcomber. John from the Vlogging with the Beachcomber.
Oh, really? Oh, cool.
I spoke to you.
Cool.
I asked you
excellent.
some questions. You sent me the info. It was great.
All right, okay. I'm glad. Thanks so much. Keep following.
Yeah. That's a good old crowd turned up now, isn't it? Eh? Brilliant.
I've still got a lot of bowl.
To there. Yeah, I'll push him in front. Go in front.
Just land them one, do you know what I mean? You've warned them, but I think I'd spray them first of all. Because they've got the embarrassment of having that paint on their face for a week.
All the footage I got earlier and everything, like I'll be putting it in a group later as well and all that. I think I've got some cracking photos of like the dinosaurs on the front line with the police outside Downing Street and all that. Like I know I've got some cracking shots. I've got to go through them all and sort them out and that. But yeah,
Most of mine I stayed in front, so I didn't run.
I was
went
laughing.
down the road.
I was laughing. It was fucking funny because like I was like, yeah, the police. I mean, the dinosaurs are breaking through police lines. Like they're on the front line of dinosaurs.
Yeah, no, it was good. It was good down there, wasn't it? I just stayed in front. I could have mixed in, but I had the wrong camera. I had the wrong lens on my long one. So I've just stuck my little one on now.
It could have been worse. You could have had your 3-foot one here, mate.
Yeah, it could have been.
Honestly, I thought he's just been over to Ukraine, isn't he? And he's nicked that.
Do you know what?
That's why they got no missiles. John's got them.
I was at RAF Duxford Air Show once. I went with my old man before he passed away, right? And like, I was just using the phone now, and like a couple of guys had and all the rest of it, and like they had Canon and everything, right? But the guy had a tripod just for his fucking lens.
That's
right?
what I've
He's got the camera. And the
So
fucking...
just once, can I just say something very quickly?
Yeah,
John, turn around.
What?
See the guy there?
Yeah, I got him.
He was don't photo him. I just
right.
covered. That's right. I covered his camera up. He was John that was with me. I'll tell you about
I photograph everybody. No.
Oh right, yeah, I covered him.
And I'll tell you. And the other thing I do is I condone everybody and I condone everything. I'm John.
I want to ask a question. I'll interrupt this gentleman here, John.
Hello.
Anybody? I need to borrow a megaphone for a minute. Do you know anybody that's got one?
Sam was supposed to be coming up here.
I want to ask a question to some of the tourists.
Oh. Well, good question. All I can suggest is wait until you hear one. Some of these, some of the phones have a megaphone on, don't they?
Phones?
Yeah.
Oh no, that don't.
No, they don't. No, some of them I think.
I even need someone with a huge pair of lungs.
Yeah. Or I'll keep my eyes open, but
right, I'll go round. I'll see. I won't ask the ULEZ because they're constantly singing.
No. Is that bloke that's always running around? He don't stop talking. I can't think of his name.
Oh yeah, I know.
Little bloke. He's here.
Plays the music. I've spoken to him. Yeah, he plays the music. Yeah. I'll have a look for him.
Yeah.
It'd be handy actually. So I want to ask a question over that side that I've been wanting to ask people about support for Khan.
Yeah, why has he got it? I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. And I think I'm going to get the answer that I'm expecting.
Okay, well good. I'll be interested to see that then, or hear it. I'll see if I can find him as well, so if I do, I'll let you know.
This is John, guys. Right, he's on vlogging the beach coma.
Hold it behind us! Yeah, yeah! Hold it behind us! Yeah, yeah!
Got his assistant player Rodriguez tanker with the Imperial College result.
Yeah, yeah!
We know that it's nothing to do.
About 108 years ago, they decided to change their life.
Yeah, I'm alright. Yeah, doing okay today.
Stops to Canary Wharf on the Elizabeth line, and then I'll just go down on the tube.
Right.
thinking to come up here, like to Westminster there.
I'm
like,
going to
you
be doing another audit at Canary Wharf if you want to join me.
know? Yeah, I'll have to see what I'm doing. What do you do when you do your audits? What do you actually do? Is it like
Cause a bit
police
of grief.
stations and that?
I don't. No, I mean I could do. My first ever
I know what auditing consists of, more or less, but
Yeah, if you've
the
seen
auditors that I knew, they was always like outside police stations and that,
I
giving
know.
the old bill brief and
Yeah,
stuff like
you
that.
don't have to. Some of the best ones are. If you go to Canary Wharf, the whole place is private, right?
Yeah.
So they tell you, but it ain't quite.
So it's basically it's just going to places that they say like a private property and all this that, and the other,
stand
and you're
outside
going there to like
and
prove
take
a point.
photograph.
Sort of thing.
Yeah, I mean, so we pick a building here. I don't know, government building down there. Pick a government building, stand outside, take photographs through the door, through the windows, right? And generally come out saying like that, do that.
So that entices somebody to come out and say, "Oh, you can't be doing that."
So you have a
blah, blah,
row with
blah,
it.
blah.
So you you don't have a row with them. You just have to learn the words to use, and you just say, well, can you tell me what? Why can't I film out here? But you're not allowed to film inside because it's private. I say, yeah, but I'm on public land. Yes, I know, but it's private in there, and you just go down this.
Yeah, I know what you're saying.
But
Yeah.
you go down this this route of arguing with them, and it gets you your content,
I've had
which
them
is what you want.
I've had them sort of debates with people before, like as well. Unfortunately, with me, like sometimes, like I do get, I snap quick, I get angry quick.
But
like,
you can do as long as you don't hit them.
But I've been at like
You can do.
I've been at a few places before, but there was a while back there was an
I've
incident.
got to
in
lean
Bex-
against here. Go on,
Yeah,
carry on.
A while back there was an incident at Bexley Broadway, right, where a lad got stabbed.
Yeah.
Right at Bexley Broadway, and I was in the gym, right, and I heard all his old bill and everything commotion coming out.
Hang on.
I say apparently.
I thought it was a bit of grief going on.
But the lad that got stabbed, he went into the pharmacy there that was there near the gym at Bexley Broadway.
Yeah.
Right? He went into the pharmacy there, and obviously they gave him help and whatever until ambulance and all that lot come. But this woman who was saying to do with a pharmacy or whatever, because the old bill had got it taped off like around by the bus stop and all that. So I'm standing by the bus stop and I'm taking a few photos, which the news shopper wanted off of me.
Yeah.
Like, I took a few pictures and that, yeah, and a video I think I took. But this woman's trying to tell me, like, that's private property, I can't film and all that. Straight away I was like, listen love, right? I said, this is public land, right?
Yeah.
Regardless of whether your property, I said, your property might be private to you, but I said, all the time it's on view to the public.
That's it.
It's
If your eyes can see it, you can video it.
I said,
That's it.
I said, if it's on view to the public, I said, I can film it. I said, I'll do what the fuck I like.
That's exactly what
know
you do
I
say.
mean?
That's
Yeah.
it.
I said, like, I'm standing on public land.
Yeah.
I said, so I have a right to film in public.
That's right.
Whatever my eyes can see and whatever my camera can see.
One good
regardless of
thing
whether
is
your
if,
property is
one
private.
good thing of you sort of snapping a bit is because then they'll probably go and call the police. So that's the sort of thing we go for. But what I like to do is to mix it in with a bit of ULEZ. Like just when they've done me and Arturo, when they've done Catford bus garage. But at the end of it and at the beginning, we included details about TFL, the fact that they were in with ULEZ. So it becomes then a little bit of a ULEZ video. We can get it that way. But the reason I want to go to Canary Wharf is what a lot of people don't know. You're not allowed to take photographs of their what's it called? Not their cabins. They're security gates. Where the gates are, they've got boxes where you have to walk from the outside to get into Canary Wharf. You have to go through security. Well, what they don't tell you is that the river's here, and there's a big wall. By law, you have to have a public easement without going on private. So there's this space about 10 foot where I can stand and point my camera at their security gates and they can do nothing about it. But they don't know that, or they do know that and don't admit it. So they come out and have a row with you about security, you don't tell them straight away, well, this is a public easement. You don't tell them that.
Well,
just argue about it.
They're all bound to try and make their little mark in their Gestapo environment.
Well, that's the sort of thing I like to do. go in and cause a bit of hassle in the first place. All these banks, and you just stand outside photographing them, all come out.
Well, the thing is,
and
when
then if you get thrown out, you go on to the easement, and then they're really in trouble because they can't move you. It's public space.
No, well, me and a few friends, we went and protested at the Royal Albert Hall once. They had a concert to do with Ukraine, so we went there protesting against Ukraine. Of course, there was a few angry people. This angry woman tried swiping my mate's camera out of his hand and all that. So we started to kick off a little bit, but they had the security bods all come out and everything. They tried pushing us down off the stairs and everything. They said, you're on private land, like, you know what I mean, and blah blah blah. And they was trying to like touch it.
But if you video it, that's
it was videoing.
content.
Yeah, it was videoing and everything like that. It's all on my YouTube channel anyway, but it's some way back now. But I was like, you know what I mean? I was like, don't even think about touching me. Like I said, the moment you touch me, right, that's assault. That gives me then the right to retaliate, like use minimum force.
Yeah. I'm surprised more people don't slap these security guards, I'll tell you, because they do ask for it. But, you know, it's, I don't know, it's retaliation, I suppose, and the best thing you can do is not to, is tempting.
Well, it's come close sometimes on our protests, isn't it? Like, there's been a bit pushing and shoving, like there was that day with that fucking box installation. Yeah, that's funny.
That's such a shame, because I had words afterwards and said, look, I could have stopped that within 5 minutes before you even got there. I could have stopped that just by, you know, throwing a bag of shit down the hole. And they wouldn't work after that, would they? But a load of fucking...
I thought it was funny how they got so triggered when I called them rats.
Oh, that done it, didn't it? That was the magic word.
That's what started it all off.
It did. Oh, it did. Oh, it did. I mean, there was just so much great content. I finished up with 4 videos out of that. Yeah. And absolutely brilliant. But... what's the answer? Do we want to stop it, or do we want to get the content for 4 videos?
I mean, all my content of late has been nothing but ULEZ that's gone on my channel recently. I could have gone up. See, all the crowd that I'm usually in with, and those that surround themselves with Tommy Robinson and follow Tommy Robinson, he's arranged like, you know, this documentary, this big viewing up at on a screen live up at Telford, which is up near Shrewsbury and all that. Telford, it's up north.
I've never been there, but I know what you mean.
It's all against the Muslim grooming gangs and all that, because there's been a hell lot, a lot of fucking like child grooming going on.
I can't believe it's still at it.
Still doing it. These Muslim gangs are fucking. I don't know if it's still going on now, but it was.
Apparently it is. Still going on.
It wouldn't surprise me, and they're fucking been exposing it all and all that.
Yeah.
I mean, some of that. I mean, for one, I couldn't be asked to drive all the way to fucking Telford today, because it's like 3.5 hours journey up there.
Yeah.
And when you're up there a few hours, the time you get home it's fucking late of a night, like, you know what I mean? And the cost of fuel as well.
Yeah.
Whether any of them lot, like the crowd that I surround myself with normally, whether they'll be happy with me for not going or not, I don't go. I don't really care, to be honest.
No, you're doing something else, aren't you?
You know, well, that's it. I mean, like, I'm my own person. Nobody governs me, mate. I'll go to wherever and do whatever I fucking want, like, you know.
Of course. Do me a favour, chuck it back in one, will you? Just turned up in time. Thank you very much. Oh, sorry. Right. Anyone?
Put it back in the same one, alright?
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Ta.
Did you recognise it?
Great, you look great.
I just want to say a big thank you to Brown Card Guy for the ULEZ files. I bought 3 copies of his book, and he just signed them for me. So I'm really touched that I got my book signed by the author.
Oh, no, absolutely. 6. Mind you, I will say I'm going to get proof on that old right. Oh, no, I'll be saying.
Alright, Nick.
Oh, hello, mate. You alright?
Yeah. How you getting home?
I'll go by. I'll go down at Westminster on the tube, like Jubilee line through to Canary Wharf, and then I switch over to Elizabeth line, and takes me to up the road from mine at Abbey Wood.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. Because I used to always go. Like, what I used to do before they started the Elizabeth line up, I used to have to drive my car to North Greenwich.
Yeah.
Leave my car at North Greenwich and get on the tube from North Greenwich on the Jubilee line all the way through to Westminster. But now they've got the Elizabeth line that runs from Abbey Wood where I live.
Yeah.
It's easier for me to just leave the car at home, just walk up the road. I think it's free stop, free fall.
Into every part of it.
But where I go, when I go home now or when I come here, like when I come out of Canary Wharf on the tube, like I go up obviously, and then I go across the concourse where there's like the little bars and little shops and whatever.
Right.
And then I go down into the Elizabeth line, just the other side. So
I don't know that.
That's in between. That's in between. When I come out of the station, it's just behind the main tower with the fucking, I forget what it's called now. Canada Water. It's called Canada Water. One Canada Water. It's called One Canada Water now, building. So. You know, but yeah, I just come out in between stations, but it's where they got all the shops and things there. There's a little bit of a dock there as well.
Well, that's where he wants to go, to the dock where the boats are. We're just talking about he might be interested to come to Canary Wharf with us, and he knows where the dock is and that, so it'll be up your street.
Yeah, I'm hoping those yachts are still there.
Yeah. Because I say, coming up here, right, I mean, when I used to come to protest up London before, right, I had to take my car to North Greenwich Tubing Station and then go through straight through up to Westminster on the Jubilee line. But now they've done the Elizabeth line. It starts at Abbey Wood where I live, so I go Elizabeth line, Abbey Wood to Canary Wharf. And I was saying to John, then I go from Canary Wharf like there walk over to the Jubilee line to Westminster there. But I walk in between the main building, Canada Water and that, and where the shops and bars and that are there, you know?
Yeah. Try and sell us a New World Order Bible now.
Oh, I've had one of them books given to me ages ago. I've never read it.
No, I don't read books.
I don't want it, even if he gives it to me.
I don't really.
If I get a book, I'll give it to my wife. Say,
I'm alright, fine, thank you.
I've been round so many times.
you have, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I was actually given one of those ones when I was up London some time back, like, you know. But I never really read books much anyway. But
As soon as
so I was up here to do. I think it was at the time of the lockdown protests.
okay, yes.
Anti-COVID lockdown and all that, you know.
Yes, that's right, yeah. We were hot on the thing. Hot.
Yeah.
I wonder.
I don't know when it happened.
You joke, mate.
I don't care how people protest, how they want to do it, right? I've said right from the start, I am doing it
cheers,
my
thanks
way.
for the
I am
support.
about blocking the cameras. That's it. I won't start cutting them down. I won't do this, but I will block them legally, peacefully. So far, I've not had any of the security guards be arsey at me, because that's when I'd lose my shit with them. Do you know what I mean? I would. It winds me up when I hear people go, "Stay back, don't step any closer to me." So the guard steps closer, and then they step back, right? And they go, "No, don't come that." And I'm thinking, no.
We were just saying about that.
Step forward. That's enough. That's all you need to defend
But of course,
yourself.
that is
Just
his.
saying about that, we're saying about the security at the vans getting triggered and like sometimes they're pushing and shoving. I said like when we was at that box thing that day, like when it got a bit.
I'd spray the bastards, make their faces all red.
Yeah.
I would, man, with the farm gel.
I said they soon got triggered. That's what started off by when I called them racks.
It was, wasn't it?
That's what you want to get, John, the farb gel. If you're one of the guards,
What? You mean that there?
Right, stay away.
It's there, isn't it?
Closer. I'm warning you, guys. I'm going to spray you. You then step forward. Fuck that! I'm spraying you. That's it. You've had your warning. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to hit you because I'm getting done.
Do that one time, like I think it was on a video where I seen where he warned somebody not to get near him, and then one of the security guys at the van, like, over his way, came right up close and he pushed the geezer right back.
Good.
Like,
now I support that because he's warned him.
Yeah.
I support that. Totally support that. When I watch the auditors, I think, fucking knock them out. You've warned them. Sorry, John.
No, you're not. No, I'll work it. Don't worry.
Closer, so they step closer.
Yeah.
Stop warning them. And
Oh, mate.
Ketchup, mustard, barbecue. Yep. $10.90 altogether, please. That's an extra 50p, these crispy onions, so it's another $10.90. You've only given me 10. $10.90. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. All good. Hello, mate.
How much any burgers today?
No, we don't do burgers, mate.
Alright, I'll have a sausage then, please. Sausage,
Plain pork?
roll.
Plain
Yeah,
pork?
please, yeah. And
Cumberland, Italian or Cajun?
just plain pork will do. And plenty of onions, please.
You're pissing in the wind if you think you're ever going to stop that.
What?
ULEZ.
Something to do.
I've been here 27 years. Let me tell you, when he brought the congestion charge in, they fucked with the lights.
Yeah.
So I remember I used to drive in every day.
Yeah.
They slowed the traffic down before it come in.
Yeah.
And all of a sudden, when it come in, they altered them back. And I thought, fuck me, you know what? This congestion charge is working, it's worth it. So I'm getting in work like
Yeah. Quicker.
quicker, 20 minutes quicker
Yeah.
than what normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, tweet, they fucked with the lights. They've done it again, they fucked with the lights when they put it up.
Yeah.
And they've done it again now when they fucked with the ULEZ. People don't realise this is the government and Khan playing a game together.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So anyway, we're just going to give them some stick, you know. I mean, I remember the poll tax. We won that one, didn't we?
Yeah, but you know why? Because that was mine and your generation who had the bollocks to stand up and do
Yeah.
it right.
Yeah.
Yeah, these cunts, they ain't got bollocks to do anything.
No.
They just roll over and take it.
Most of them do. It's a shame because they don't know what's coming. Eye recognition in the end. You know, be face recognition now or soon.
It's already out.
Pay per mile. It's just they don't know what's coming. I won't be here, I don't suppose, but you know,
What do you
my
want?
grandchildren will be. Just tomato ketchup, please. But I've not done any protesting since the poll tax. Oh, thank you so much. That's very kind of you. Thank you. Yeah, I've not done any protesting since the poll tax, so
That's when it was
it's
proper protesting now, mate.
Aye,
That's when it was a proper protest.
it was, yeah.
Because I remember being down here that day. weren't
Yeah,
you?
yeah,
Fucking scramble quick. I was only a kid then.
yeah.
All right, fucking scramble quick because they fucking charged down that road. They set down there a light.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Well, it might come to this, you know, I mean, the whole country's starting now. It's not only, you know, London. And I mean, in inner London, I can understand it. You go down the tube train, those points about 78 against where I come from, Biggin Hill, there's 2 points. Nothing. There's no pollution where I come from. Why am I having to pay for it for everyone else?
Yeah, but hold up a minute. Should I tell you why there's pollution in central London? No one's got the fucking common sense to work this out. Hyde Park Corner used
Yep.
to be 4 lanes. It's
Yeah.
now 1 lane.
So they're all queuing up, pissing out the back.
No, you know why?
What?
But these cunts who ain't even using it, cycle lanes that are cycling on the pavement.
That's true as well. Huh?
Everyone's bowed down to the cyclist, right?
Yeah.
Everyone. Yeah, mate, is that?
I'll do it. I'll do
Everyone's
that.
bowed down to the cyclist. I'm having a conversation here, young man. Yeah. And basically, that's why this country's got the cyclists. They don't pay no insurance, no tax. They can run someone over, injure them, I know. Because my sister got run over.
Yeah.
She was in hospital for 12 weeks.
Piss off and not get caught.
Right? Nothing happened to the person.
No,
She
no.
lost her job because she couldn't attend the job.
Really?
She was
Yeah.
a cleaner, you know, and they had to let her go.
Oh well, whatever happens, it won't be made easy for him anyway.
Honking cities, ULEZ, where the sun don't shine. Viva the working class!
Just so hot, Mr. UK, in the visual. Ain't never gonna stop, ain't never gonna flop. Go right to the top.
Really not happy about something that's happened. It's just happened again, so local beardsman commented, get rid of the pathetic little man, and he's coming up for review. I've not in my
Thank you guys for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I would appreciate your help to get me to 1,000 subscribers, as I'm only halfway there. Also, if you would like, comment, and even share if you want to, you'll be helping me grow my channel. I'm not after being monetized, I just want to grow it for the fun of it. Anyway, ciao for now. P.S. When and if I get the 1,000 subscribers, I might just get a DJI Mini 4 to benefit us all.